Halima says, can we participate or play games that have the top 3 places receive prizes, but we don't know what we will get until we win it? And games where you pick a random box out of a few boxes and you get whatever is in it. The gifts in the boxes can vary from very expensive to rare, or rare to cheap, from one box to the other. But no money or any sort of giving is involved. You get, you keep, free and nothing more. I don't know of such a game, but it seems to me that this game is done within the family, because it's not logical to have a public game as such and giving gifts away for no reason. If this is on telly, on the TV, then this must include women, music, and many other haram things, so participating in it is totally prohibited. End of story. But if it's something between friends, and I'm a rich man, and I'm spending my time and money to make my friends happy, and I do this for them, and they choose, one gets a Rolex and another one gets a bottle top or an empty bottle or whatever, this is okay, providing there's no haram involved, providing the participants did not invest or pay a single dime, nor to participate as a subscription, nor as a payment for the app to be downloaded. In this case, this seems to be okay, inshallah azza wa jal.